Going to the gym for the first time can be intimidating, but don't let that hold you back from starting a fitness routine that can improve your physical and mental health. Here are some general tips for starting a gym routine. Make a plan. Decide which days and times you will go to the gym, and choose a workout that you enjoy and that fits your goals. If you are looking to build muscle, consider including strength training exercises such as squats, bench press, and deadlifts in your routine. Start at a comfortable intensity. Don't try to do too much too soon. Begin with weights that you can comfortably lift for 8 to 12 reps, and gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. Get help. Don't be afraid to ask for help from a personal trainer or a gym staff member. They can help you learn proper form and techniques for the exercises you are doing. Stay consistent. Try to stick to your gym schedule as much as possible. It can be helpful to schedule your workouts in advance, and to find a workout buddy to help motivate you. Remember that everyone has to start somewhere, and it is completely normal to feel a little nervous about going to the gym. With time and practice, you will feel more comfortable and confident in your workouts. Here is a simple workout program for beginners that you can do at home with minimal equipment. Warm up by marching in place or jogging for a few minutes. Do 3 sets of the following bodyweight exercises, with 10 to 12 reps in each set. Push-ups. Bodyweight squats. Lunges, 1 leg at a time. Planks, hold for 30 seconds. Bicycle crunches, 10 to 12 reps on each side. Don't forget to cool down with some stretching. This program can be done 3 times per week, with a day of rest in between each workout. As you get stronger, you can add more sets or try more challenging variations of the exercises. It's also a good idea to mix up your workouts to keep things interesting and to work different muscle groups.